and take this moment to reflect, to grateful for yourself, uh, for grateful for everyone, for everything that we have in this life, for everyone who is helping us, teaching us, uh, make us grow, grow with us, and even people who hate us, in a way they also teaching us something. So let's take this moment to share the merits with everyone. Let's start the chanting over everyone together after I will be there. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Iti viso bhagava araham samma sambuddho vijjācarana sammanto sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattha manussanam buddho bhagavati. Iti viso bhagava araham samma vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattha eva manussa buddho bhagavati. Tipiso bhagava araham samma sambuddho vijjā sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattha deva manussanam buddho bhagavati. Tipiso bhagava araham sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattha deva manus buddho bhagavati. Tipiso bhagava araham samma sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattha deva manus buddho bhagavati. Tipiso bhagava araham samma sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattha deva manussanam buddho bhagavati. Purisa dhamma sattha deva Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Let's share these merits with all the devas, deities. May all of you, protected by the devas, receive the blessing from the devas to have a good life, to have a healthy life, to have a long life. Please, all the devas, deities, mighty devas, come forward and receive these merits. After receiving these merits, may all the devas find peace and happiness in their samsaric life. Akasatta Chummatta Devanaga Mahiddhika Punyantang Anumoditva Chiram Rattantu Loka Sahasranam. Akasatta Chummatta Devanaga Mahiddhika Punyantang Anumoditva Chiram Rattantu Desanam. Akasatta Chummatta Devanaga Mahiddhika Punyantang Anumoditva Chiram Rattantu Mangalanti. Let's share this merit with all the departed ones. All your departed family members, relatives, friends, please come forward. Receive this merit, receiving these merits. If they are born in an unpleasant place, please overcome this all unhappy unpleasantness. Come to the healthy life. By receiving these merits, may all the departed ones find peace, happiness in their samsaric life, and then finally attain final salvation of Nibbana. By thinking, let's recite the stanzas in order to share the merit with all the departed ones. Idam me ñātinam hotu sukhita hontu ñātayo. Idam me ñātinam hotu sukhita hontu ñātayo. Idam me ñātinam hotu sukhita hontu ñātayo. Today, throughout whole day, the Vesak day, doing various meritorious deeds, we have accumulated a lot of merits, good deeds. By the power of this, all the merits, good deeds, by the power of the Triple Gem, Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, may all of us be healthy, wealthy. May all of us have good life, healthy life, and long life. Especially, let's wish to our Chief Reverend to be healthy, long life, and also more strength to continue this journey, service to all of us for the benefits of us. So finally, I wish all of you all be well and happy. May all of us, by the power of this all the merits, attain final salvation of Nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Abhivadana silissa niccang maddha apacayano chatta